Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you come across this video. Me na Kongossa and Gossip TV, where we do celebrity gossip and social media wahala. My people, if not the first time this way you come across this channel, enter with your popcorn, grab a seat, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. So my beautiful people, una sabi say for the streets of social media now, the matter where they pop up like corn inside pot now about this Chidimma Ojukwu, when a 21-year-old girl, when she the principal suspect for the murder and killing of this Michael Usifo Ataga, where he be na CEO for Super TV. My beautiful people, another video about her don't come out where Punch the take interview her again for the second time. Una sabi say some days ago dem parade am for social media, they parade am for street, say na she be the principal suspect and na she take Lego this Michael Ataga and she take her mouth confess. My people, since then a lot of matter don surface, story where they say na conspiracy between her and Ataga wife. They take put her together, joined with Ataga boyfriend. My people, when according to wetin dem talk, na this girl uncle, so she come out, she come deny the matter. She said she no know this man wife, she never see am before. Say she dey do runs girls na since she enter Unilag, and na because say ends no dey meet, she take dey do so for take pay her school fees and for take support herself. My people, she self go up to the extent for take apologize for the man family. She talk say she be very sorry for wetin happen. She no mean to Lego the man, as in she no mean to send the man go RIP. And they take ask and questions again, say I say they here say this man he know they do drugs, this man he know they smoke. Yes, she talk say that one na lie, say the man they smoke and the man they do drugs. As in say any other matter about the wife together with her, say they take conspire for send this man for Lego, or they be one proof for take do divorce. Say all that one a false matter, she no know about her. My people, now wait till she talk. I see the video, I say no, a lot of matter don't come out. I only got to bring and hear me all of us to take see and listen. I go leave the video for here. My people, make una listen how she dey take the defend herself and she dey take the apologize for the Ataga family. My people, but before you finish to watch the video, please don't forget for subscribe, turn on your post notification. My people, and so that whenever I upload a video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. Love you all. Choose.
I didn't plan on killing anybody or kill him. It was just to get money from him. I totally regretted everything I did. I'm 21 years old. Mass communication, Unilag. I sometimes do ushering as part-time job. I had a mission was to be actress and music. Separated when I was little. So I was living with my uncle, Mr. Chidimma.
Okay, so you don't know what led to them separating?
No.
Okay, how old were you then?
I was 2 or 1, 2. Okay. Growing up, I stayed with my uncle.
Where is that?
At Moshi.
Moshi?
Yes. Smoking, that's me. But the picture, that's not me. Smoking inside just few years ago.
Who introduced you to it?
Friends, friends, full-time friends. We don't talk anymore.
When did you begin smoking, and was it before Unilag or after you got into Unilag?
To be after I got into Unilag.
All this issue of you, the runs girls, and all these things.
I started after Unilag.
the deceased person?
We were just friends.
Okay, some people say they have evidence of you probably flying out with the deceased to celebrate your birthday or with other people, outside of the country. How true is this? Have you been going out before for birthday parties or for events?
No, I haven't. I've met with him like 4 or 5 times.
And also there is another statement that the deceased does not take hard drugs and that he is a very strong man. How could you have overpowered him?
He takes drugs, he takes it, he takes smoke, he drinks. So it's not that I'm trying to put anything on anybody. I met him the daytime, wasn't at midnight. And when the incident happened, he couldn't speak. So I didn't take his clothes. I only took mine. I just took it and I took my dresses out.
People, after seeing the video of you narrating the incident, they said it is possible that you have killed before.
No, I haven't killed before. Well, I don't know the wife. I don't know the wife. Neither have I spoken to her before or anything.
Okay.
And for uncle, I don't know. No one threatened me not to pay school fees or do what I did. But my dad paid my school fees. The reason why I was absent in school was first was finance, and secondly, I was just feeling reluctant to go back to school. I wanted to do online schooling so that I can join in with my business when I start up my business. There are lots of times that the school fees is not there. It has to be struggle to complete. After the incident happened, that I withdrew the money. The purpose was to use it for my fees and start up a business for myself.
Can you describe your dad's reaction when the police came?
My dad was very heartbroken, bitter and disappointed.
Was he resisting police arrest when they wanted to arrest you?
No, he wasn't resisting. He was trying to be sure that it's actually police people.
There's a particular information that after the incident happened, that immediately what you did was to call your uncle, and that you now organize people to come and clear the scene, because we are speaking from reliable information we gathered from a series of interviews and the likes.
No, I did not call any uncle to come clear anything. I left the place.
But is it true that you have told the owners of the building, the people who supply the place, that if anything happened, they should reach out to certain individuals, including your uncle?
No, I didn't say they should reach out to anybody or anything like that. No, I didn't plan on killing anybody or kill him. I didn't plan. I want to say that I'm sorry, that I know everyone is disappointed at me. I don't know what came over me that I did what I did. But I hope God forgives me and everyone forgives me. Mr. Ataga family, I am deeply sorry for what I did. If I had my life back, I wouldn't do anything of such. I am deeply sorry. Please, I hope you forgive me. I don't want to die.